How to make bacon-wrapped scallops on the Nuwave Brio Plus 7-quart air fryer. Power on the Brio and navigate the cooking presets menu until you locate number 45, the preset for bacon-wrapped scallops. Press the start button and the Brio will automatically begin preheating to a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, prepare the raw scallops with some paprika and a slice of bacon around each piece. When preheating is finished, pull the base tray out and spray the air circulation riser with non-stick cooking spray. Then, gently add the bacon-wrapped scallops. Insert the base tray back inside the power base, and the Brio will automatically begin cooking with a temperature of 400 degrees for 16 minutes. Halfway through the cook, the Brio will alert you when to flip the bacon-wrapped scallops for an even cook. When the display shows flip, pull the base tray out, carefully flip each piece, and then slide the tray back inside to resume the cook. When the countdown finishes, pull the base tray and carefully transfer the bacon-wrapped scallops onto a plate. Add your favorite dipping sauce, and the bacon-wrapped scallops are now ready to serve. Enjoy.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.